In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move an object to the origin, 0, 0, 0, in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to realign a part, reset a block, or simply start fresh from a known reference, moving it to the origin is the fastest way. The origin is the point where X, Y, and Z are all 0, and it acts like the anchor of your drawing's coordinate system. First, select the object you want to move. A single click is enough. If you need to include more than one item, keep selecting until everything you intend to move is highlighted. You'll see grips appear, which confirms the selection. Next, start the move command. Type move on your keyboard and press enter. You can also use the M shortcut if you prefer. AutoCAD now waits for a base point, which is your reference point for the move. Specify the base point by clicking directly on the object. Pick a point that makes sense for alignment, like an endpoint, midpoint, or center. Turning on object snaps helps you pick something precise so your move stays accurate. The base point isn't a destination. Think of it as the handle you're grabbing before relocating the object. Now set the destination, type 0, 0, 0 and press enter. Make sure to include the commas between X, Y, and Z. When you confirm, AutoCAD moves the selected object so that the base point you chose lands exactly at the drawing origin. At this stage, the object is at the origin. If you're working in a user coordinate system, 0.000 refers to that system's origin. If you need the world origin instead, make sure your current coordinate system is set to world before you start. You can confirm the move by looking at the UCS icon or by zooming in near the lower left corner where the axes intersect. A couple of quick tips. If nothing seems to happen, check that you pressed enter after typing the coordinates. If your object jumped somewhere unexpected, verify that dynamic input is not interpreting relative coordinates. Absolute coordinates use the exact cell you typed, and if you moved multiple objects together, remember they maintain their spacing relative to your chosen base point. This works the same in 2D and 3D. The third value controls elevation. If your geometry is far from the origin, expect a big jump on screen, so don't be surprised if it disappears from view. Use zoom extents to reframe your drawing after the move. That's all there is to it. Select the object, start move, pick a precise base point, type 0.0, and you're at the origin.